How do you open tough jar lids? Do you try this one? Or this one? Or how about this one?
Honey,
This is the future. Shouldn't there be a robot for this by now? There is. Introducing RoboTwist, the robotic jar opener that easily twists off even the toughest lids. Just set it down, press the button, and watch it work. First, the RoboStrong vise locks down tight. Then the powerful twisting action unscrews the lid. Even the toughest stuck jars don't stand a chance. RoboTwist is ideal for seniors and arthritis sufferers. But let's face it, even the strongest of us sometimes meet our match. RoboTwist has the muscle you need. And there's no job it can't tackle. That fat jar of gravy? Not a problem. How about that sticky jar of jam? RoboTwist gets it done. And it also has the finesse to handle delicate jobs too. That's right. Whether the jar is big or small, RoboTwist can open them all.
One of the most common jobs that most cooks do in the kitchen is chopping onions. Our vegetable chopper is going to make that job faster and easier. Our chopper features a cross-cut blade pattern and recessed cutting area to keep food in place while in use. Sliced fruit or veggies on the stainless steel blades and quickly and safely press down on the lid in the soft area for efficient chopping in one easy motion. When you're finished chopping, you can easily pour chopped fruits or veggies out of the easy pour opening without removing the lid. The cleaning web installed in the lid removes any leftover bits of food and makes cleanup even easier. Best of all, less onion handling means no more tears.